bottom line here is, even according to that data, there are only 50% enrollees from the grade 10, from those students who completed grade 10. And that's a very alarming number. And according to the DepEd data, out of the 8,000 public high schools, only 6,000 are K-12 ready. So there are 2,000 schools that would turn away students. So for those who are used to going into those schools for the past 4 years, they will now have to look for public schools that are K-12 ready elsewhere. And that is a major problem because they will have to commute, and the parents, as it is, are overburdened. I believe what we have here is Secretary Luistro and the DepEd are trying to press release their way into ramming this K-12 down the throats of the Filipino people. The situation on the ground is very, very different from what they are presenting. Even the voucher system will not cover all the expenses. Sa akin ho, ano't ano pa man, at the end of the day, daan-daan libo yung huminto. Tawag na natin sabihin drop out, huminto sa pag-aaral. Kaya nga ang aking mga panawagan na atong Supreme Court natin ay
may pending
suspindihin na ang K-12 program, gawing optional. At kung yung mga gustong tumuloy sa K-12 system, gawin nila yon. Dun sa mga nakatapos ng grade 10, let us classify them as high school graduates nung 10-year system para hindi sila madidislocate ngayon. Kung gusto nilang mag technical vocational later on, pwede silang pumasok. Kung gusto nilang magkolehiyo, pwede silang pumasok. Kung gusto nilang mag K-12, pwede silang pumasok. But as it is, yung natapos silang grade 10 would be enough for them to pursue higher learning.